there.
All right then.
In my ear.
Ugh, yuck. You're good.
In there, buddy.
You want to hold on, or does he have to hold on? I'm like,
Yeah, good luck trying to get him to hold on.
he's just watching Stella. Look how little he is. I'll get Stella on there. Look at Stella. Okay, Ben. Look at her go. Hey, honey.
You know you're gonna like this, right?
Yeah. Yay.
Yeah, she started going on it like 6 months.
Did she?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Look how far she's
Very
gone.
intrigued by
I know. Come on over there, buddy.
It's like, why am I not going that fast?
Yeah. Yeah.
He doesn't even realize he's swinging right
No,
now.
he doesn't. He doesn't.
It's okay, honey.
Like
Yeah,
your
you-
family or something.
Making a family.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh! I'm sorry, I totally got you on the video.
I don't like when they fly towards me.
No,
at
it's not
all.
fun. I could feel them on me too. There's gonna be a nest in my hair by the end of the day.
You're gonna have a stink.
I am. Yeah, I know. Like, yay! Woo! Nothing out of him. Ben.
Come on, B. Get your hand out of your mouth.
I know. I think you need to hold on.
If you put his hands on there, will he hold on?
I don't.
No.
No.
Watch.
Like, let's try it. Just. Oh. Oh my God.
There you go.
There you
Do
go.
that one.
Or he
Okay.
might- it's like he doesn't want that hand. He's
No.
like, I'll do one hand.
Just push him slightly and.
Oh.
Aw. Okay, he's moving around.
Aww.
Okay, Ben. What do you think? I know. One day you'll go that fast. And he's just staring.
I know. He's like, who's that guy again?
Oh, don't eat that.
Oh my God.
Oh.